if this area is haunted. But one thing is for sure, if you enter here, you'll never get out.
Yeah, okay.
Wait, I just realized something.
Yo.
Do you think the shop owner is stealing our stuff?
Possibly.
Oh my god, are you serious right now?
It's better than just dying to that thing, whatever you call it.
I don't know, man.
Alright, I got a
Okay,
watch.
I'm decked out. I have a lot of stuff.
I have a watch and a
Oh god.
ticket. What?
Hayden, 31%.
We should be good. We should be good. Maybe.
30% now. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, 1 minute. Come on. Have my map.
Go back to the tower.
Are you going all the way? I can't tell, honestly. Let's go.
If we survive up here, we can definitely survive again.
I wish we could just destroy the ladder to the tower so the thing can come up it.
That would be
But
a
at the
smart
same-
way, but like, why?
But at the same time, it probably would just find a way to climb up.
Yeah.
27% is. Oh god. Okay. So 1 minute and 20 seconds.
I say after this, we try and get out of here as fast as we can.
How though?
Like, if you can see any exits, just go.
Maybe we
Like,
can try and climb.
no second thoughts.
Can we try and climb up? To the mountain?
How would that work?
Oh no.
It's nearly 11 already. God's sake.
Goddamn. Okay, power's like about to go out, so yeah.
What's the percentage?
21.
Someone might have to go fix the power during the night.
20%. Yeah, I don't think we are. Because remember what happened last time we tried to do that? Well, actually, I tried to. So, yeah. Law. Okay. Oh god. Get ready, Hayden. How could we escape? That's my question.
Find any exit, I guess.
Like where though? Like this is a forest.
Yeah.
If only that car wasn't destroyed, maybe we could fix it.
Someone's already screaming.
Are you serious? Oh, it's a person.
8 minutes. 8 minutes. We do this. Right, we can do
Yeah,
this.
we can. 14. Oh my god. Hayden.
What?
4 people are using the power.
Oh my god. They're idiots.
13%. Oh my god. 12%.
So we die right here.
Nine percent. Okay, no one's using it anymore. Thank God. Thank God I said that stuff on the radio, bro. But it's still about to run out anyway, so I guess that doesn't really matter.
People are dying and we're not doing anything.
What are we supposed to do, Hayden?
Fight it? That's our best option.
We are gonna die if we fight that thing.
Even though we don't even have any weapons, so like, I don't know what you want me to do.
We could light it on fire.
You don't. That's not gonna work.
Okay, then what's your idea then, huh? Because
Hit it.
that was our best. That's the best idea yet, huh?
Okay.
That's the best idea. What?
Hit it.
That's a bad idea.
You don't know that.
Oh god, 4%. Our radio is about to not work anymore. Our watch isn't about to work anymore. Oh god.
Just remember, 6 minutes.
Yeah, 6 minutes. The kind of thing.
Oh well, 6 hours and 5 hours.
What is this guy doing?
He's being weird.
Oh god.
There it goes.
Holy crap, that was
5 hours. 5 hours until 6 a.m.
that felt like an earthquake. Jesus Christ.
Overusage probably.
Oh god. Come on, Hayden.
Help.
Oh god.
Idiots.
They're following me. Holy crap. Oh. Ah.
Jesus.
Holy crap. Oh my god. Oh god, I'm my leg. Oh my god. I'm not gonna look at my leg. I am not gonna look at that. That is disgusting. Oh god. Oh, I lost my radio. I don't know where the hell Hayden is. I hope he's okay. Crap.
Ugh.
I have to somehow find him. That was the one time I actually bought a lot of stuff from the shop. Are you serious?
I see you! Tower! Tower!
What?
Tower!
Where?
Behind you! Keep walking. To the tower, to your left.
Oh, let's go. Hayden, you're alive? Oh god.
Do I look alive?
I mean, yeah.
Pretty
Don't
looking.
say anything about my leg, okay?
Pretty dusted.
What is this guy doing?
He's making sure it doesn't come up. Easy.
I guess, but
The
like,
power
it's
is still
not.
out.
Yeah, I think this might be our last day. There's a possibility that it's our last day. So,
Hopefully someone fixes the power eventually.
if someone turns the power back on, I'm gonna have to do something very special.
What do you mean by that?
You'll see.
At least we're gonna open and close this even if the power's out.
What is this guy doing? It's not coming, so I think we're chilling. Have we ever even once used the trapdoor on that thing?
I think so.
When?
It failed multiple times.
Wait, when?
I can't remember. Okay.
Okay, I guess.
Rake, more like lake. Ah. Why am I laughing
Good one.
like this?
Good one. Good one. Good one, Hayden. Wow, good one. Amazing. Oh my.
Why am I making jokes at a time like this? Like, really?
Cause like,
We're meant to be. This is meant to be serious.
I still can't believe you have wings.
I see it.
Do I trapdoor?
No, not yet.
Tell me when.
It's not that close, so I think you're good.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What kind of milk were you? Did you? Hey, so are we gonna try and figure out a plan or
I
what?
say we just book it, honestly.
Where to?
Anywhere.
How though? There's literally hills and we can't go up them because it's basically. Oh my god! Oh my god!